Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video featuring the Party Balloons foil and cut die set. These are super fun. There are 5 balloons in this set. They both foil and cut. If you wanted to skip the foiling completely, you could just die cut your balloons. We have this fun Ripley balloon. We have these 4 other balloons that are basically the same shape, just different sizes. We have the 2 smallest, one is a little taller and one is a little squatter. Here I've foiled and die cut all of the balloons, and then I just plain die cut some foiled paper, some rainbow foiled paper to compare the two. They all look stunning. They're going to be so much fun to add to our projects. I'm going to lay them on an A2 size card panel just so you can see how they fit on a card in relation to their size. You can just use 1 or 2 of these balloons or layer them all up on your page, on your card front, to fill it full of festive party balloons. Here are a couple of examples of projects made using these balloons. This one I made, and then this next one was made by Elena Kraus. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment to do that now. If you're interested in the product I featured here, check that description box below. And until next time, bye-bye.